Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to publish your Replit app on Play Store. First, open your browser, go to Replit and start creating your app. Once you're done building it, copy its link by clicking the link icon and then copying the link. Keep that link because you'll need it for the next step. Now open a new tab and go to median.co. This site allows you to convert your web app into a mobile app for Android or iOS. Make sure you're logged into your account. After signing in, click New App. It will ask for your web app's URL, so paste the Replit link you copied earlier. Then enter a name for your app. This will be the name that users will see on their devices. Next, click Start Building My App. Median will begin converting your web app into a native mobile app. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see options to preview the app and export it. Click Export or Download App Package to get the Android version of your app. It will usually be an APK or AAB file, which is required for the Play Store. Then go to the Google Play console and log in with your Google account. If it's your first time, you'll need to pay a one-time fee to create your developer account. Follow the on-screen steps and complete the payment. Once your account is all set, click Create App. Fill in your app details, and when everything is ready, click Submit for review. Google will review your app, which normally takes a few days. When it's approved, your Replit app will officially be available on the Google Play Store for users to download.